What does it take for a 160-year-old publicly traded Canadian industrial leader to capture the attention of a modern, global audience? For Wajax, the answer was a bold PR strategy, and it paid off. Wajax, listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange, had long been a trusted name in heavy equipment and industrial services across Canada, but they wanted more. To be seen as an innovative, people-first brand with influence beyond their home market. The challenge? Breaking through to decision makers and investors who had never heard their story. We built a targeted thought leadership campaign positioning Wajax executives as go-to voices on leadership, innovation, and sustainable industry practices. We pitched high-value stories to leading business outlets and national broadcasters, creating a steady drumbeat of coverage that made Wajax impossible to ignore. The payoff was massive. Over 2,000 media placements, billions of impressions, national TV features including Bloomberg that put Wajax in front of investors, partners, and industry leaders. This wasn't just media for media's sake, it translated into stronger brand recognition, new business opportunities, and measurable growth in revenue and profit. Wajax's story proves that with the right PR strategy, even the most established, publicly traded companies can reinvent their public image and reach entirely new audiences. If you're ready to position your brand as an industry leader, we can make it happen.